This Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ, model Bn701, is an advanced kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and convenience. With its modern design and enhanced features, this blender is designed to meet the needs of both casual users and serious culinary enthusiasts. This detailed review will explore its key features, performance, usability, and overall value, providing a comprehensive understanding of what makes the Ninja Professional Plus blender a standout choice for your kitchen. Key features. The Ninja Professional Plus blender boasts a 1in400 peak watt motor, which is more powerful than Ninja's original professional blender compared to the BL610 model. This robust motor ensures that the blender can handle a wide range of blending tasks with ease, from crushing ice to blending tough ingredients like nuts and seeds. The increased power translates to faster, more efficient blending, reducing the time you spend preparing your favorite recipes. One of the standout features of the Ninja Professional Plus blender is its total crushing blades. These blades are specifically designed to crush ice into a fine consistency, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. The blade assembly is stacked, ensuring that ingredients are thoroughly blended from top to bottom, eliminating the need for constant stirring or shaking. Auto IQ technology is a significant highlight of this blender. It provides preset programs that take the guesswork out of blending. With 3 versatile functions: smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, Auto IQ intelligently combines timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to achieve optimal results with just the touch of a button. This feature is particularly useful for users who are new to blending or those who want consistent results without having to manually adjust settings. The Ninja Professional Plus blender comes with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, which is perfect for making large batches for the whole family. Although the maximum liquid capacity is 64 ounces, this large pitcher size allows you to prepare multiple servings of your favorite recipes at once, making it ideal for parties, family gatherings, or meal prepping. To help users get started, the Ninja Professional Plus blender includes a 15-recipe inspiration guide. This guide provides a variety of delicious recipes for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more, showcasing the blender's versatility and encouraging users to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Cleaning the Ninja Professional Plus blender is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly can be easily cleaned on the top rack of your dishwasher, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. When it comes to making smoothies, the Ninja Professional Plus blender excels. The powerful motor and total crushing blades effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, and ice into a smooth, creamy consistency. The Auto IQ smoothie program ensures that ingredients are blended to perfection with minimal effort, producing consistently delicious results every time. For frozen drinks, the Ninja Professional Plus blender delivers exceptional performance. The powerful motor and total crushing blades crush ice into a fine, snow-like texture, making it perfect for margaritas, daiquiris, and other frozen beverages. The Auto IQ frozen drink program takes the guesswork out of creating these drinks, ensuring that the ice is perfectly crushed and the ingredients are well blended. Making ice cream with the Ninja Professional Plus blender is surprisingly easy. The Auto IQ ice cream program blends ingredients to the perfect consistency, allowing you to create homemade ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt. The powerful motor ensures that even thick mixtures are blended smoothly, resulting in a creamy, delicious treat. The Ninja Professional Plus blender is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The control panel is straightforward, with clearly labeled buttons for each of the Auto IQ programs. The blender also includes a start-stop button and a pulse button for manual control, giving users the flexibility to adjust blending as needed. The large pitcher and easy-to-grip handle make pouring and serving a breeze, while the secure lid prevents spills and splatters. One of the key advantages of the Ninja Professional Plus blender is its versatility. With its powerful motor, total crushing blades, and Auto IQ technology, This blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies and frozen drinks to making ice cream and even pureeing soups. The large pitcher capacity and included recipe guide further enhance its versatility, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The Ninja Professional Plus blender is built to last, with high-quality materials and sturdy construction. The powerful motor is designed to withstand frequent use, while the durable pitcher and blade assembly are resistant to wear and tear. The BPA-free components ensure that the blender is safe for food preparation, and the dishwasher-safe parts make it easy to maintain. The Ninja Professional Plus blender offers excellent value for its price. Its powerful motor, total crushing blades, and Auto IQ technology make it a versatile and efficient appliance that can handle a wide range of blending tasks. The large pitcher capacity and included recipe guide add to its appeal, while the dishwasher-safe components make it easy to clean. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a frozen drink lover, or someone who enjoys making homemade ice cream, the Ninja Professional Plus blender is a worthwhile investment that will enhance your kitchen experience. In conclusion, the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly appliance that excels in both performance and convenience. Its modern design, powerful motor, and total crushing blades make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their blending capabilities. The Auto IQ technology simplifies the blending process, ensuring consistent results with minimal effort. With its large pitcher capacity, included recipe guide, and dishwasher-safe components, the Ninja Professional Plus blender is a valuable addition to any kitchen, offering exceptional performance and ease of use for a wide range of blending tasks. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on your favorite kitchen gadgets.